Hey, creepy me!
What do you want, you little simp?
What do you think of that burping toy?
What? It's a burping toy. That's disgusting. That's it. Take this.
Wait, what are you doing? Ah!